Want to hide or delete screen time data on your iPhone? Here's what you need to know. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Here you'll see your activity, app usage, websites visited, pickups, notifications. Now important, you cannot delete specific apps from screen time history individually. Apple doesn't allow you to remove just one app from the list, but you can reset everything. Here's how. Scroll down and tap Turn Off App and Website Activity. If you have a screen time passcode, enter it. Confirm by tapping Turn Off. Now your screen time data disappears. If you turn it back on immediately, sometimes old data may still appear. If that happens, do this. Turn off app and website activity again. Now restart your iPhone. To restart, press and hold the side button plus volume button, then slide to power off. Wait a minute, turn your iPhone back on, go back to Settings, then tap Screen Time and turn app and website activity back on. Your previous screen time data should now be cleared. That's the only way to fully reset screen time usage history. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.